recently we have been hit with a heavy rain in our state, where different infrastructure has been damaged, and we have lost a few lives. So I have the report with me, which has been collected. So since 29, so I have this report till date. So we have lost Srimati Khubor Khubor, who's at the age of 50, from Lung Kuntung village, like Gro Sinati block, on the 30th May 2025. That is due to landslide. And second, we have lost Samporlang Tariang, age 35 years, from Maubena Pom Lakrai village, Melem block, on the 30th May 2025 due to drowning. And third, we have lost Nicholas Kharpran at the age of 36 years, from Kerdeng village, Bhorumbong, Sinadi block, on the 30th May 2025, that also due to drowning. And then number 4, we lost Meban Skem Mukim, age 14, from Karang village, Mau Kendril, Sinadi block, on the 31st. And we lost Bad Creek Chick A Samla, 7 years old, from Kentapara village, Dadeng Grace in Adi block, on the 31st. And at the same time we lost Brim D Sangma, from the same village, Kentapara village, Dadeng Grace in Adi block, on the 31st itself. These are the 6 lives we have lost in our state because of this monsoon. So it's really sad to say that we couldn't do anything for them, but we have tried our best, especially from the department, to send the support, especially to the family member of those who lost their life. So the fund has been, as an ex gratia, has been received, some of them, and all the fund has been released to the, especially all 6 of them they have, 5 of them have received, and 1 is still with the BDO. So that I believe we didn't, maybe they have received it today, or maybe if not, maybe by tomorrow. So this is the status of this the status regarding with this loss of life.